Assalamualaikum and good day. We are a group of 4 engineering mechanical students from UTEM, and this is our reflection video for the engineering seminar BMKC4041. I'm Wafi, and I will start with the aviation talk by T.S. Jamari A. Ghaffar on the aerospace manufacturing supply chain. The key point I learned is that the industry in 2026 has moved past recovery, carrying a backlog of over 15,000 aircraft alongside a net zero mandate for 2050. What struck me was the move toward radical architectures, open fan engines, blended wing bodies, and supersonic flight, and the rise of agentic AI and digital twins that make autonomous engineering decisions. The insight I gained is that modern aerospace is no longer pure Newtonian mechanics. It's a digital integrated value chain. For my career, it taught me to keep the evergreen fundamentals strong while building disruptive new skills, because understanding the whole chain from material scarcity to certification is what defines a real engineer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I am Hazim and I will reflect on IR need Far East talk from Proton. Perfect doesn't exist. As someone focused on stress analysis and finite element work, this talk spoke directly to me. His main message was that perfection is a mythic. Engineering is the art of trade-off. He illustrates this with the golden triangle: artistic, functional, and time, where the budget is literally the area of triangle. So you cannot maximize everything at once. The others example make it concrete. More radar means better detection but higher cost. So the goal is to optimize, not perfect. Then inside that state with me is that the best product are not the highest spec one, but those precisely optimized for demand, use, and cost. He also stressed that compliance protect what shortcut can destroy. For my own FA work, this reframe excellence. It's not about over-designing for safety margin endless, but delivering the required performance efficiency with the less investment.
Hi, I'm Alif and I will share my reflection on the ONLA talk about critical challenges in automation engineering careers. The key point I took away is the speed of change. That is AI, robotic, and IoT evolve so quickly that engineers have no choice but to commit to lifelong learning. I learned that automation engineering is deeply multidisciplinary, combining mechanical, electrical, programming, and project skill, with the system integrator acting as the brain that ties everything together. What I valued most was the speaker honesty about the pros and cons. That is, the work is stressful and the chance of failure is real, but it pushes you to grow and become more mature. And above all the technical knowledge, one skill matters most is communication. For my career, this was a reminder that being a strong engineer isn't only about what you know, but how well you connect ideas and people.
I'm Saiful, and I will bring the three talk together. What amazed me is how one common thread runs through all of them. Aviation shows us the cutting edge of technology and a vision for 2036. Proton taught us to accept imperfection and balance competition priorities. And ONLA remind us that careers are but on continuous learning and resilience. The insight I gain is the real world engineering is never about chasing a perfect answer. It's about making the best decision given time, cost, and constraints, then standing by it. All three speakers despite working in completely different industries, agree on two things. Technical skill alone is not enough, and emotional, intelligent, communication and teamwork are what truly carry a project forward. As the aviation and Proton talks about remind us, greatness is never by alone. On behalf of our group, Wafi, Hazim, Alif and myself, thank you for watching.